Welcome back, student. Today we are going to have brainstorming over potential and potential difference. My dear student, if we take two plastic bottle, say plastic bottle A and plastic bottle B. Plastic bottle A is kept at higher level and plastic bottle B is kept at lower level as shown in the diagram. Plastic bottle A and plastic bottle B is connected by a connector, and the connector is having a clamp. My dear student, we have taken two plastic bottles. One plastic bottle we kept at certain height and another plastic bottle we kept at the ground level. Let A be the plastic level kept at a higher level and let B be the plastic bottle kept at a lower level. These two bottles A and B are connected with each other by a connector, and a connector is having a clamp as shown in the diagram. Now my dear student, if we fill the plastic bottle A, which is kept at higher level, with water, when we fill the water in a plastic bottle A, which is kept at higher level, we can say that the water in a plastic bottle A is at higher level. These two bottles, bottle A and bottle B, are connected by a connection, and a connection is having clamp. My dear student, now we are going to remove the clamp. In the next diagram, you will see that the clamp is removed. My dear student, when the clamp is removed, the water starts flowing from the plastic bottle A, which is kept at a higher level, to the plastic bottle B, which is kept at lower level. My dear student, in this setup, we have taken two plastic bottles. These plastic bottles we have kept at different height. Let plastic bottle A be kept at higher level and plastic bottle B kept at the ground level, which is at lower level. These two plastic bottles are connected by a connection, and this connection is having a clamp. My dear student, when we remove the clamp, we see that the water which is present in plastic bottle A, which is at higher level, start flowing to the plastic bottle B, which is kept at the lower level. Observation: when the clamp is removed, When the clamp is removed, we observe that my dear student, when we remove the clamp, we observe that the water from the plastic bottle A, which is kept at higher level, flows in the plastic bottle B, kept at the lower level. Then we can say that the water flows from higher level to lower level. Now my dear student, when the level of water in both the bottles become equal, then the flow of water from bottle A, which is kept at higher level, to the bottle B, which is kept at a lower level, stop. When the water level of both the bottles A and B become equal, the flow of water from plastic bottle kept at higher level to the plastic bottle B kept at lower level stop. My dear student, in this experimental setup, we have taken two plastic bottles. One plastic bottle we have given the name bottle A and we have kept it at higher level. The another plastic bottle we have taken and we have given it the name, that is plastic bottle B, and it is on the ground level, and therefore we say that plastic bottle B is at lower level. These two bottles are connected with a clamp. These two bottles are connected with a connection which is having a clamp. My dear student, when we remove this clamp, we see that the water flows from plastic bottle A kept at higher level flows into the plastic bottle B which is kept at lower level. From this, we can have the understanding that the water flows from higher level to lower level. When the water level of both the bottles A and B become equal, the flow of water from plastic bottle A, from the plastic bottle A kept at higher level to the plastic bottle B kept at lower level stop. My dear student, we are studying the flow of water. In this experiment, we come to the conclusion that water always flows from high level to low level. In the same way, the flow of electric charges in a conductor between any 2 points depend upon electric level, and this electric level is called as electric potential. My dear student, we have seen that there is flow of water from high level to low level. In the same way, the flow of electric, charges between any 2 points depends upon the electric level. Depends upon the electric level between that 2 points. And this electric level is called as electric potential. My dear student, From all this brainstorming, we have to learn that the positive charge always flow from high potential point to the low potential point in a conductor. This means if we want a current to flow between any two point of a conductor, we have to apply potential difference in that conductor. This potential difference we can apply by connecting the conductor to the cell. When the conductor is connected to the cell, then we can say that potential difference is created, and the positive charge always flow from high potential point to the low potential point of the conductor. Thank you very much.